Here the items are there. So when I wanted to edit any particular item, so like this in any particular cell, so what I can generally do is like I double click this cell. So when I double click, I go inside the cell. There is another option which is a shortcut key, which is F2. When you press F2, you go inside this cell to edit this option. Okay. Now you can see that if you wanted to change this pencil name, okay, so what I will do, I will go inside, I will select this, I will type pen and press enter. Now pencil becomes pen, but I will control Z to go back to the pencil name. Without going inside the cell, we can change the name from the outside. What we need to do is just select the cell and start typing. So I will type pen. So this is another way you can actually change the cell text, but this will change the complete text. This will not give you to partially change the text. So if I have name like this pen and paper, and if I just wanted to change the paper to pencil, then I need to go inside and change. But from outside, if I change to pencil, then whole pen and paper will change to pencil. So this is the thing which you have to remember. Okay, so now I will go back to pen and paper. I'm here right now, and what I want is to actually delete this paper thing. So I have option to select this thing, or else when my mouse cursor is here, I can press backspace. So you see, with the backspace, I can click and delete each letter. Okay, now I wanted to go to the start of this text, which is pen. So what I will do, I will press the arrow key from the keyboard. So arrow key will allow me to go leftwards one by one. But when you have large text, so large text like this, so we have sales company B, and I'm at the end, and I wanted to actually start from the beginning, which is at the two. So from keyboard, it will take a lot of time. Either I can click with the mouse, or there is a one shortcut keyboard key which you can use, and you can actually start practicing that keyboard keys. So whenever you are inside any particular text here like that, press home key. So from keyboard, if you press home key, you will go to the start of the text. So this key you can use not only in Excel, but anywhere you are using any Windows application like email or other text, you can use home key to go to the start of the text. Okay, so opposite of home, it will be end, which is next to the home key. When I press end, I will go to the end of the line. So end of the complete line, quickly I can go to, by pressing end key. So home key, start, end key, end. So with this way, I can actually change the data. Whenever you are using any application, these are a very standard key, which is used like Control C for copy, Control V for pasting, Control Z for undo. So you can see that when I press Control Z here, if I press Control Z, the company C becomes Control B. Okay, so now you know that undo and redo options are there on the quick access toolbar. Okay, when you can see that next to undo there is an arrow icon. So what is this? When I select this arrow icon, you can see whatever the actions I have done till now, it has saved all the actions, and now I have option to go back to not only one level. By pressing Ctrl C, I can actually go to multiple levels. So you can see I am scrolling mouse here. So when I'm actually moving my mouse cursor, I have without any like mouse click, I'm just hovering below. So you can see these many items I can actually undo at one time. What I need to do is just hover the mouse cursor here and press click. The moment I click, you can see the all the items which I had done till that point is undo. I can actually undo all these options like this. So I will go till this point. So you can see all these options are undone. Similar case with redo, I can actually redo the things, and you see the data is not now back again. So control C for undo, control Y for redo. So for redo, there is a shortcut key which is control Y. But if you wanted to do multiple undo and redo selections, then you can actually press this arrow and select this text. So everything what you have done in the Excel, it will get undo and redo. So let me redo everything, and I'm back here. Okay, company A. At the end, I will go by pressing end key. Okay, and inside the same cell, I wanted to write another line. So for that, I will not press enter key. I will press alt enter. So within a cell, I will go to the next line, and here I will type and press enter. So you see, so company A is one line and ITechOasis Academy is another line. Okay, right now I don't want ITechOasis. So what I will do, I will go inside by double clicking and I will select all the line from ITechOasis Academy and press delete or backspace. So I will press delete and press enter. Now you see, so now you see that company A row height is not like this row height. Why? I mean, like if I actually double click here between 10 and 11 row, still the company height is not getting adjusted. Why? So i- this is because after company A, when you click below here, you can see that the new line is created, but new line is blank. What we have done is we have deleted only the second line text, but we haven't deleted this new line uh, space. So for that, what you need to do, double click here. So your mouse pointer should be below this company A line. So in the second line, and now here you can press backspace. So when I press backspace, I will go to the end of the first line, which is company A, and now press enter. So you see the row height is adjusted here. So there are certain situations where you actually delete a particular line and you wonder that why this there is a space when I there is only one line. So this is because of this extra space. So you can actually go to the second line and press backspace, or else you can go to the first line endpoint and press delete key. So delete will delete whatever the after this company A and press enter.